Welcome back, folks, to our series called Jobs, Now, Then, and Future, which looks at how jobs have evolved through time. Imagine having past, present, and future on the same talk show. Isn't that cool? The career that we will dive into today is biochemical engineering, specifically focused on agriculture. Let's explore how our guests have used biochemical engineering to produce and manufacture crops. Welcome, Mr. Elijah Fleming, the pioneer of biochemical engineering.
Greetings, Marshall. We have only dreamed about time travel, it's marvelous.
Next, we have Ms. Sophia Omer, a biochemical engineer from 2023, who is an expert in dealing with the biochemical processes of crops to yield more surplus.
Hello, Marshall. Well, you are forgetting that I even use technology in making agriculture more efficient and smart.
Oh yes. We are going through a period of technological revolution, for which our last guest is from the year 2050. Ms. Amelia Davis, from the world of space and science.
I am really excited to be on a panel with my peers from different time periods.
Mr. Fleming, we are all ears.
My dear fellows, I am pleased to say that the science of biochemical engineering has been a subject of fascination for many years. The clever use of chemical processes as the building blocks of life has given birth to growing marvels.
In my time, science has gotten even better. We work with special cells and processes, and computers help us make new ideas for growing healthy and tasty crops.
In my time, we're exploring the stars and growing crops in space. We use super smart computer algorithms and special formulas to make sure our crops are the healthiest.
Tell me it is not so? Outer space really?
Yes. Our generation is focused on doing things in space as efficiently as we do on Earth, which comes with its own challenges to grow food without gravity.
Mr. Fleming, which types of biochemical engineering interventions to control the crops are used in your time?
I must say, we are at a primal stage of biochemical exploration. Our focus is on understanding the bioprocessing behind the agricultural produce.
But how do you preserve food?
For that, we use natural processes such as drying, fermenting, curing, freezing, and you name it, all the old ways. We don't have any man-made ingredients added to our food, it is all natural and organic.
Currently, due to artificial and canned food, lives are under constant threat. It saddens us, but we are working on sustainable food production. One day it will be achieved.
The future has catered to all these problems. We have AI robots and systematic technologies that make proper health plans and advise better alternatives to produce healthy crops. Can you imagine having all your meal prep ready from the scratch?
I am glad the future is making living easier.
Lastly, Ms. Davis, how is biochemical engineering helping future crop and breed production? Also, I read that article on space exploration.
It is no longer a surprise then, Marshall? Yes. We are running space farms. We have understood the microgravity that each crop and breed requires for cultivation.
What is your next stop?
Mars. We want to land on Mars.
That is astonishing. In present times, Mars and space exploration has begun. I am glad that in the next 20 years, we will make it.
Indeed. Ms. Omer, can you shed light on how agriculture is in the present?
We have indoor agriculture, cloning, and mixed-breed crop cultivation. The water supply is ample, as we reuse the water flow through proper filtration. Similarly, fertilizers and crop pest control are technologically monitored, and yes, space exploration is a headline.
My dear fellows, I must say, I feel great joy towards our growth and accomplishments. The future is beyond this world.
Well, on such a positive note, our episode comes to an end. Thanks to our panelists for sharing their experiences in the field of biochemical engineering. It is clear that with emerging times and rapid advancements, agriculture will take us to space. Thank you all for the hard work. With this, your host, Marshall, signs off for the day. See you again next month with another amazing career evolution.